Welcome to day 1 of your 7-day yoga challenge. Let's begin by arriving fully into this moment. Sit or stand tall, relax your shoulder, and close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Feel your whole body soften with the breath. Allow your mind to settle. Give yourself permission to be here just for these few minutes. With every breath soften, with every exhale, release what you don't need. You are safe, you are held, you are enough. Place your hand on your heart. Feel its quiet rhythm. This heartbeat has carried you through everything. Thank yourself. Come onto your hands and knees. Inhale. Drop your belly and open your chest into cow pose. Exhale around your spine and cat pose. Continue at your own pace, letting your breath guide the moment. Inhale and exhale. Let your body soften and let your heart open just a little more. Inhale peace, exhale heaviness. Let the movement wash through you like a quiet wave, bringing you back to yourself. Shift back to downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Inhale and exhale. Relax your shoulder and neck, your arm and legs. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Step your right foot forward. Inhale, arms up. Warrior 1. Relax your shoulder. Keep your gaze soft and straight ahead. Open your arms wide. Come into Warrior 2. Keep your gaze steady over your front fingertips, focused, calm and clear. Reverse warrior and lean back through your front leg. Come into triangle pose. Straighten your front leg and shift your hips back. Open your chest. Take slow deep breaths here. Release your hands and switch side. Arms up and relax your shoulder. Warrior 1. Inhale and exhale. Gaze straight. Come into warrior 2. Open your arms wide. Gaze to fingertips. Slowly lean back. Straighten through your front leg. Inhale and exhale. Triangle pose. Look at the sky. Open your chest. Inhale and exhale. Hand to the mat. Step to the front of your mat and fold forward. Let your head drop heavy and release your neck. Inhale, halfway up. Straighten through your backside your legs. Inhale and exhale. Slowly roll up and arms up, palms touch, and hand to the heart center. One more, arms up, palms touch, and hand to the heart center. Last one, arms up, palms touch, hand to the heart center.